my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Most commercial spice blends are packed with too much salt. Among many, Greek seasoning is one of them. Might as well grab the salt shaker and forget about it. What I decided to do is to create my own version with less salt. Here's the recipe. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a small bowl, we'll combine dried oregano leaves, dried basil, some garlic powder, as well as onion flakes, then dill weed, dried rosemary that has been ground in a spice grinder, dried thyme leaves, dried parsley, freshly ground black pepper, followed by lemon pepper, dried mint leaves. By the way, those are the ones we dried out from our garden last summer. And finally, salt. We'll whisk all the ingredients until very well blended and keep it in an airtight container. This makes 1/3 of a cup.
As you saw in this video, it's an easy blend to make, it's not overly salty, and it will enhance many dishes. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!